Hi friends, I am so excited to share with you something that I've poured my heart into. My creative watercolor pencil workshop is now live and it's available worldwide. If you've ever felt unsure about how to use your watercolor pencils, or if your pencils have maybe been collecting dust on a shelf, which I know happens to some of us, or if you're looking for additional ways to use your watercolor pencils more than what I've already shared here on my YouTube channel, this workshop is for you. This is going to give you all the confidence and inspiration you need to use your watercolor pencils on your cards and projects at home. Inside the workshop, I'll walk you through fun, beginner-friendly techniques like dry on dry, wet on dry, wet on wet, pencil to palette, which is so much fun. And as a bonus, I'm even stenciling using watercolor pencils. You're going to learn how to blend, shade, and paint stunning cards that truly pop off the page. You'll also receive a beautifully designed printable workbook that I've created. It's filled with step-by-step tutorials, technique tips, card samples, do's and don'ts, and so much more. It's the ultimate guide to keep in your craft room. This is a digital workshop, so it's available worldwide. You will get instant access to the video and the workbook no matter where you live. Right now, I have a special pre-sale available. It's only available until April 7th, so if you're watching this in time, be sure to grab it before the price goes up. If you're not already one of my email subscribers getting my newsletters, my friend, you're missing out. Make sure that you are. My subscribers got first dibs on this workshop, and they're already sending in the most amazing reviews. I always share extra tutorials, offers, and exclusive content with my email community, so be sure to sign up so that you don't miss out. Whether you're brand new to watercoloring or you want to try something fresh and fun, this workshop is for you. Just click on the link below to get all the details and join today. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Until next time, take care and happy stamping.